guys, I actually just mistakenly pressed the off button. What you got?
I got 4 royal.
Nice. I'm almost finished the quest, and why is Panda Bear showing his ass right now? I think, yeah. Oh, bro, nut, what are you doing? What you doing? Kuya, did you know I'm finishing Panda Bear Snow Bear? I'm trying to finish it. My quest must be finished or else I'll die. God said it. Or maybe Gummy Bear said it. I don't even know where's Gummy Bear. 20B slot area? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Okay, I finished the quest. Now let's give it to Ayo, Ayo, Ayas. Okay, let's talk to Panda Bear. Good work, guys. Now we can wrap this up. I few buttons here. What? Bam! The Snow Bear ready for action. Nice. Cloverfield. Right there. You see that? Okay. You see that area right there? That's Cloverfield. Right there. That has a royal jelly area. Sorry guys, I was just talking to my brother. I can actually now summon a level 1 Snow Bear. Snow Bear had spawned. Look, Kuya, I spawned Snow Bear. Oh no, he's frozen me. Oh my goodness, a lot of snowflakes. Look, Kuya, so many snowflakes from killing the boss. I mean, Kid Bo. Which is where? Clover? Top mountain. Had been defeated. Diamond B. Yes, I have 2 Diamond Bs right now. Snow Bear, level 1, defeated. Okay, I'm going to try to finish Brown Bear's stockings quest. I haven't even finished any quests yet. Okay, let's talk to Brown Bear. The quest. Where is that quest? Okay, Brown Bear stocking. Collect 10,000 pollen from Cloverfield. You say so. Ladybugs. What's the ability tokens? Ah, okay. The one that your bees drop. Let's check the planet. Oh, it's red. Normal planter. Harvest the paper planter. It's still growing. Bro, I don't think I have enough to finish enough, like. Oh wait, I have kind of a new weapon for slapping the ground. Okay, that quest is completed. I have a lot of oil. Red pollen. Let me just go to my real quick. Hey yo, help! Okay, there. You guys are telling how did I get up there? I think you don't know. Okay, let's just wait. Diamond B gives you blue honey giving. That's for Beastmas. It's still Beastmas even though it's still February 3. sprout has appeared. Where? Where does sprout? Where's sprout? Cloverfield? No, it's not. Okay, let's collect some red pollen, blue pollen. So I think I'll do red pollen first because it has it has a lot than blue pollen. Ayo, ladybug, chill. Give me all of your balls. There, give me your strawberries. Okay, I think I need a lot of. Ah, Looker Bee, where are you? I don't even see any lookers. Okay, there's a lot of abilities. Okay, I finished the quest. Let's go finish the area right here. I believe there's only one. There is only one. I have something to get. I'll turn it off later. I was just grabbing the plates. Gumdrops. I completed the panda bear, so I must finish brown bear's quest so I can have stookings. What's this bee again called? Bucklebee? Where is he? I don't know where he is. Okay, looks like I have to go to the area that has two bee boys. They're spawning later. Yes, they are spawning in seconds though. They like. Oh yeah, there's also one royal jelly up there. And I think there's one unpass on that store area. Okay. Jump. No. And then. Whoop, I'm back. Huh? Where? Rhino beat. Oh, the game's a little bit laggy. Okay. I'm back. Okay, there. Okay, I don't think there's that more like area. I think right there at the bamboo field there is. Okay, let's go to bamboo field. Oh, wait, what? There's a sprout there. Ooh, that's a mythic sprout or a legendary sprout or an epic sprout or a rare sprout. It's a legendary sprout. Oh God. Easy. I finished the quest. Easy money. Since field here, I'll just tell you when this field is done. Or maybe I'll just leave it here. Okay, I'll just tell you when the field is. Okay, it's down. So many loot. Royal jellies. Whee, that's a lot. I can finally rest. My arms hurt. Beats and mud beats. There's so many things that spawned. Okay, the party is over. Let's go fight. Okay, let's go to bamboo field. Sorry, brother. The sprout is gone. I collect how many royal jellies did I got? Where's the royal jellies? No, 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 no. Pineapples, honey, royal jellies. I think it gives me 6 royal jellies. Oh yeah, I got 6 royal jellies. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, rhino beetle. I hate rhino beetles. Yes, I finished the quest. So let's go talk to brown bear. I collected 155 honey tokens. I'm not that close. Where is brown bear? Too lag. Diamond B, we must stick together or else we will die. Talk to brown bear. Now I can check my stockings. Brown bear. Yay! Thanks for the surprise party. Check inside the stockings. Micro converter. The wonders of wrapping. Okay, let's try to finish some of brown bear's quests. Brown bear solo cat. Cactus. Brown bear solo cactus. Huh? What's that? I don't know what's that. I don't know what's outside right now. Okay, there's Moon Charms area. Let's go to the 15 bees area because it's for brown bear's quest. Quest or quest? Quest. Okay, let's finish quest. Jelly suckers? Why are there jelly suckers here? What are these? What are those things? Do they just drop? They just drop random things. I wonder just oh nice, my brother got another badge. Wait, how many badges you claimed? I think you can check badges. Hey brother! Okay, let's start going to brown bear. Let's start claiming his stockings. I think when you finish a quest, then he'll put something at your stockings. I don't know. Finish brown bear's quest. It's ready to turn it in. That was too easy. Check inside stockings. Needs a timer. Thanks for those loots. I think I can check here, not it. Let's try to finish. Let's finish Science Bears. Porcelain. Boost tokens. I need a lot of boost tokens, bro. Boost tokens. I don't think these are boost tokens. I've been collecting a lot of boost tokens throughout. Collect this blue thing. Okay. Oh, there. More loot. Rascal B and where's Riley B? I think that's Riley B. I don't know. Bumblebee? Bucklebee. Where's Bucklebee? I need to talk to you. Or maybe that's just Riley B. No, that's Rascal B. Let's collect more boost. need to finish some quest because it's for today's video. By the way, I'm going to leave it here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and see ya on the next episode.